understand to be an older male, has been transferred to Waikato Hospital, also in a critical condition, Ingrid. The other two, their condition is unknown. Now, for those that don't know this area, the Tairua Bar is a treacherous piece of water. It is the area between Tairua and Pauanui, and even those familiar with it say that across the winter months the sand moves a lot, and when you come back at summer, it's anyone's guess as to where that sand is, and it can be particularly dangerous to those that are unfamiliar with this particular stretch. Now, it's unclear whether this group did know the Pauanui area, and we understand from those that pulled the boat out of the water there were some life jackets on board, Ingrid. This is a stark reminder. We now know that 27 people already this summer have died in the water, and that figure was updated this afternoon because we understand from police that a body of a swimmer was pulled from the Waikato River after he was missing earlier in the week.
Karen Rutherford live there at Pauanui. Thank you for the update.
Since yesterday, a young man was taken to hospital in a critical condition. But there were 3 confirmed deaths by drowning in Ngaruawahia, Wenderholme and near Dargaville. And the whole summer is shaping up to be one of our worst. With 2 months to go, the toll is already higher than last year and the year before. The New Zealand curriculum says all children should have the chance to learn basic aquatic skills through school by the end of Year 6.
With the Ministry of Education around the school curriculum, education is the key to this, and the younger we start, the better.
So that we can avoid another deadly summer like this one. Elizabeth White, News Hub.
I will go in the road, I think. try to check up if it's not, if the water is clean now.